Hey guys, Tanner Malone here at Whitecap Chevrolet Buick GMC in Slave Lake, Alberta. And today for our Walkaround Wednesday, we're going to show this 2015 2LT Silverado. So one thing that stood out to me about this truck was the fact that it already has a leveling kit and some aftermarket fuel rims and tires. It comes with off-road Rancho suspension, so if your plan is taking it into the field, or you just like off-roading, or if you want that extra little bit of heavy-duty suspension, this is the truck for you. We got 142,460. So this is also equipped with a 5.3 liter V8. So this truck is also equipped with a tonneau cover, as well as that leveling kit and aftermarket wheels, and black bow ties. You black bow tie fans, this already has them. So, hey guys, so I'm just gonna quickly go through some of the features that you got on the inside here. So you can see you got command start, heated seats on both sides. This truck is actually equipped with navigation as well. Got your trailer brake over here. You can actually set your gain as well. So we got our LED lights for the box there. Touch up down pedals. 2 12 volts, 3 USBs, household. Also, you got 2 more USBs there, SD card holder, and an auxiliary jack, and another 12 volt over here. You should come check it out if you're in the market for something similar to this, and we'll be happy to help you out. All right, have a good day.